What's up, buddy? Let's see. What am I missing here? Hey, the market only goes up, man. Market only goes up. It's like, are we going to get a pullback eventually? It's going to be one of those ones that just goes up probably the rest of the week, and you'll get like this $2,000 sell off at the end of the month. I was hoping to get a couple of gold setups tonight, but that did not happen. Let's see. I was at a short. Yeah, you cannot have be short biased these last few days, man. This thing is just straight to the moon. To the moon. Yeah. I haven't even thought about I did try a short last night and got wrecked. So, what is it? It's almost like do we just wait for a pullback off the previous day high and just try to get long? Last night we were struggling to get above that level. So, I guess we'll just kind of wait and see what happens at the top of the hour here. We'll see what happens at 7 o'clock here. I mean 8 o'clock here. 8 o'clock. We should get a movement here in the next 5 minutes, one way or the other. Now we do have a gold entry sitting at 48.22 for anybody that's into trading gold. I mean, gold is just going straight up. They haven't been. We opened down here at the 48.11 on gold, and it's just been straight to the moon. No pullbacks. Yeah, I was red today myself. We had the longs, we had the right, direction picked, but I couldn't stand the pullback. Like the pullbacks were just so like 40 and 50 points. So I had to take a stop out for 20 something points. So yeah, the pullbacks were just too big. So definitely caused me to take my losses today on the fundeds, especially on the funded. All right. My mouse. Okay. All right. Let's see. All right. We got about 2 minutes left here. I have music playing somewhere. Oh, it's like, hopefully we don't get no big sell off here. That's the only thing that scares me about this having this gold trade sitting here. I don't know. I'm hoping I'm just not on the wrong side of the wrong side of the trade tonight. Oh, come on. All right, less than 1 minute. You're still long from 11 a.m. Wow, that's pretty. That's pretty awesome. From. I mean, it looks like we even got like a 5 minute trend line build up here, like a little bull flag. Hmm. All right. We'll give it a few point. God, man. I've been trying to catch these breakouts the last couple nights on my eval. It's like this when we get to all-time highs, man. It's always like this. I always find myself struggling more when we get to all-time highs because we just don't get. I'm just hoping the trend continues. Gold's going straight up, guys. I mean, goodness. I've been trying to get entries on gold all night long. Dude, that was dirty. It did not take me out of that trade. What the crap? What? Oh, my goodness. There's just no sell orders up here? Is that what's the problem? We have no sell orders sitting up. Oh my goodness. It must not be any orders sitting up here. Oh goodness. That was kind of funny. What's up, Roll? What's up, Coach Fred? I should be out of my contracts, but you can it wicked through them, but it didn't fill them. Super, super dirty. We do have a gold entry sitting at this 48 43 that we're going to try. Point 4. Yeah, I'm not sure if there's any contract sitting there to fill your entries because I had my sell contracts at 15 and this thing wicked all the way to 17 and didn't fill me. You feel like a trap's coming? Very possible, man. We've been going up for like 10 straight days, it seems like. Yeah, I should have got my order filled a while ago. We shouldn't have no issues with orders not getting them filled when these are like eval trades. Don't want to get wicked out in case it comes back down to that previous day high. Lucky to be a lady tonight. Well, I shouldn't be in the trade. It for some reason didn't fill me. It wicked through it like 2 points. So my order should have been filled at 15 while ago, and it it wicked a point and a half above my target, and it didn't fill me. So not really sure what happened there. It's an eval trade, so we'll give it a whirl and see what happens. Look at gold going to the moon here. Gold's already up what 40, almost $50 since we opened. Guys, for some reason, if we lose power tonight, it's because we have bad storms. We're under like a tornado watch and stuff tonight, so So we have bad storms supposed to come through in a little while. How did everybody fare today? We were red on our fundeds today, guys. I think we only took 2 trades this morning, and I think we were 0 for 2. We had the right direction pick. We just did not have our stop loss where it needs to be this morning. We had a little flag build up on the 5 minute, so for some reason it hit my target lift, but it didn't fill me. It went through my target by 1.5 and didn't fill me. We'll see what happens. Long as the previous day high holds up, we will stay long. There's still a order block sitting there too on the 5 minutes. You want silver over 100? Why? It seems like it'd be very volatile sitting over $100. You'd have to worry about huge sell-offs. Hmm. Is that your favorite market trade from? I think we continue up like probably for the rest of this week. We're probably going after those all time highs because we're only like 400 or 500 points from all time highs. So I didn't really pull fib on this to see if we could get stuck here or not. Let's see here. Yeah, there was no way I was going to short tonight. Not after last night. I think if you're still looking for the long, 25 is probably your safe target. You do. Yeah, trading at this top is very tough for me. Like I said, we were 0 for 2 today. On my funded futures TV, we took a 50-point trade, but this morning on the stream we were 0 for 2. It's not that we didn't have the right direction pick. We just didn't have the correct we just did not have the correct stop loss, and I knew that kind of going in. It's very hard to get short at all-time highs, guys. From the past experience, it just seems like we just go and go and go until we run those all-time highs. I wouldn't be interested in a short unless we can get back above the 377s. You're up 5% on your account. Nice. Yeah, we were copy trading, so we took losses on 3 accounts today. I don't know, man. It's been nonstop. It's been nonstop for the last year or so. I don't even know where the all-time high is. I think it's up there around 7 or 800. I can already see what's going to happen. We're going to run to all-time highs, or we're going to get right there at all-time highs, and we're going to get one of those like 1,000, 2,000 point sell-offs. We got one of those at the end of last year sometime, I feel like. I don't remember when, but I can recall that big sell-off that we got from that. It was like over 1,000 point drop in one day. Oh. Oh, shoot. Good morning from India. Good morning. It is, what time is it? It's 7:15 where I'm at. $7.15. All right, let's look at. We got a pivot all the way up at 498, guys. That's where we're going to put our take profit at, I think. I'm not sure if it'll get there. I mainly just do it to stream, and I only trade. And I only do evals. I don't ever do funded accounts this time of the night. So there's your safe target, guys. Let's talk about the 25. Well, not well. It hit about a half a point before the 25, but 25. Yeah, the market is, the trading market is so oversaturated during the morning time that it's really hard to gain traction on your channel in the morning time. So that's why I do it in the evening. But we do stream quite a bit more probably now than I have in the recent time, because we stream on our own channel from what 9 o'clock till 11:30. Then from 11:30 to 12:30, I'm on My Funded Futures TV for an hour with the Methodical Man. Then I take like a 7 8 hour break, and then I'll come here and stream the Asia market, usually for about 2 hours. And I do struggle with the Asia market a little bit. I usually let everybody know that because I've only been trading Asia consistently probably since the end of November, the 1st of December. Like last night, we took one trade, and I think I bought the bottom last night. And so I came in today. I was like, okay, we are not buying a short today, no matter what happens, unless we lose that previous day high. We were not going to buy a short because this thing has just been going up nonstop. Like, look at all these order blocks. You know how hard it's going to take the market to get back through these in the Asia market. So order block, they were all the way up today. Douche. No, douche. Man. I don't even think I even recognized that today. Uh Usually about four, what 8:30 or 9:30 till what 12:30 every day. I'm not trading the whole time. We may take like 3 trades, 4 trades most days between that time. So like this morning on my morning stream, we only took 2 trades, but I was 0 for 2 this morning. So we lost both trades. I mean, man, this looks like a freaking bear flag. Let's see what the 50% pullback is on this leg here. So this 400 range is probably about all you want to see on a pullback. You want to see kind of the 50 to 60% of this leg hold up. And in the nighttime, we only usually trade evals. Uh, TC 2000. That's the tick chart. Is that the tick chart? I know, man. I could not believe you shorted this morning, Nick. I was thinking on the inside. I was like, no, Nick, no, don't short. uh, the short. I'm not even gonna have short in my mind tonight. It's just gonna be longs only until the longs are just not working no more. It says I was in front of my laptop each day for about 12 hours, taking around 30 to 50 trades, still learning up and down. Unhealthy mental, yes, but I have to try hard. Ooh, that is a lot of trades. 30 to 50 a day? Wow. Oh, you're talking up at that 500? Oh, I can see that. There's nothing wrong with shorting a whole number. I shorting a whole number. No, I didn't short today. I was long. Every trade I lost today was a long because I didn't have my stop loss where it needed to be this morning, Cliff. And I have a very fine line of what I'm willing to risk on my trades, what my funded accounts. I'm only willing to risk maybe $120 to $30 on each account. And with copy trading, so I only have about 20 to 25 points. I probably trade as much as somebody doing it full time, but most of my income comes from different places, not technically just all. I do make like some money trading. I make some money in affiliates. I don't really make any money off YouTube. I think I made like my first $100 after 2 years. I don't make any money from YouTube. Then I also work on the side too, and you know, my wife also has a business that we run or she runs, and then we have a rental property that we have too. So just multiple income sources. Blah blah. Got tongue tied there. So where we put that line at, that's the 50 to 60% pullback. Woo, you're up $600, man, and you didn't take some of that? Wow. I know. Trust me. Trust me. My feelings were hurt after watching that thing go up all morning. uh, it was so sad to watch. I did get a good trade during my funded futures today. We had a 50-point trade today. So we're creating another ledge here. So if this candle prints on the gold, we will move our entry up again. I don't know what that was. That thing's trying to destroy me. Come on. No, I had it in the wrong spot. No. Damn it. I'm gonna have to close that. I had that in the wrong spot. It was supposed to have been right here, and I guess I wasn't paying attention where it was for some reason. It was supposed to be here at the 48.45s. It's not considered a winning trade unless it hits what? Let's see. 50.2. That was dirty. Mm. Like I said, that should have been an entry on gold there, but like I said, I had my entry in the wrong spot. Mm. Oh, what is wrong? Unfortunately, there's not another entry until all the way down at 48.21. What is going, man? Man, my mouse has been on the struggle bus here. Which one, David? Which trade are you talking about, David? The gold trade, or I'm assuming you're talking about the gold trade. 2640 was the all-time high. No, I think it's up there around the 7 or 800s, Nick. Oh, come on. I get tired of deleting these people throughout the night. Is there anybody else in a long or short right now? Or is everybody just kind of sitting on the sidelines? We can look and see where the all-time highs are at. We just have to go on a higher time frame where it's a little bit easier to see. So your buy should have been 45.2 and your take profit should have been 48.4850.2. But like I said, I had my order sitting in the wrong spot. For some reason my mouse is acting up here. Dude. I don't know if something interferes with my mouse to make it constantly 25 and 50 cheek. It does it automatically solo. It should already be funded and ready to use with Lucif. It's usually fairly quick. Go back to the Lucif page and click where it shows your accounts, where it shows like eval funded or direct funded. You should see it under funded. Did you find it? Wait a minute. Sorry about that, guys. Didn't have my thing over. No, they have yet had been refreshing it. I'm not sure what the VCX is. Is that the VIX or is that like a stock first time dad? Come on, gold, even though we're not in it. I'm pretty sure Methodical is probably in this trade. So, dude, I don't know if I'm gonna have to move my For some reason my mouse kind of goes in and out. Oh, what a dirty wick that was. Oh goodness. Uh Listen to some King of the Hill in the background, John Redcorn. Anybody ever watch the old school King of the Hill show? That stuff trips me out. John Redcorn's like, Nancy's got a headache. Oh goodness. Oh, adult humor, I swear. Oh goodness. You won't. I don't ever recommend copying these trades at nighttime. During the daytime, most my anytime I go back and look at my win percentage, it's somewhere between like 60 and 70%. Let's see. Let's see if it went up since we did take a win on my funded futures today. About 65. Right now it's at 65. It did go down a little bit. What is let's see. I guess this is actually the last 2 months. We're about 65%. And that's on the My Funded Futures account. Does it tell you what your stuff is on Elusive? I don't remember. No, it looks like we've had 2 losing days on our Elusive this month so far. This is at 25K. I feel like I've been trading forever. I'm not going to lie. I'm so ready to be done with this thing. This is gold. Yeah, that's what I was looking at. It just, let's see. It just shows my days. That's all it shows. My funded futures will show you the percentage. Let's see. Yeah, if you got my funded futures accounts, they'll show you like what's your win rate. And that's what 32 trades. So I think we just had one red day on our 50K this month, but we have had quite a few losses here and there on that whatchamacallit account, that 25K. Ninja also tells you your win rate. I don't guess I've ever seen that one. Let's see if I can find that. Where's that at? You said under performance? Now I know we have that on whatchamacallit. What do you want to call it? Trade of eight? But I don't know where that is on Ninja. Struggle just keeping your one account. No, it actually took me a while to oh, gold is, let's see, what did we, yeah, it did have to sit through a little drawdown. What, extra 5 points? There's your 5 points on gold. There's your 94% win rate on gold for anybody that's looking for easy win rate here. Like this thing has a 90% win rate. So that would have been $50 that we missed out on. I bet you Methodical Man took that trade. Yeah, if you're looking for a easy trading strategy and you don't like trading this high stake kind of trading, go trade gold and just buy the ledges. The win percentage is like 90 something percent. You probably get about anywhere most nights between 2 to 5 trades. It says go to where that little window is where it shows all the accounts stacked and go to performance. Oh. Uh-oh. I don't think mine shows performance on here. Oh, under new. I'm sorry. I missed that part. Mm. Does it just show the account you're in? That's what I don't understand here. Or is that just from today? I don't know. That stuff doesn't make any sense to me. Yeah, because for reason it just says like gross profit 2,200, but it also says gross loss 2,000. So I guess I don't understand that one. It says under summary. I don't know. Yeah, but even those numbers didn't make sense for today. That's what I didn't understand. Why am I constantly missing this gold trade? The gold's up 10 points. Usually on fundeds, about 120 to $30 in the morning time. So like today we took a loss on our funded accounts because we were copy trading 3 accounts. So we lost one, I think like 130, 120, something like that. Give me a minute. I can tell you exactly how much we lost. So we lost 134 this morning. Last week we had one loss. That was Friday. So last Friday we had one loss last week of 76. Then when was that? Then March 23rd was the last loss of 138. Then before that it was March. About every 10 days it looks like we're taking. That was probably the longest streak from February until March. But this is how I've been just keeping my fundeds for, just if you take a loss, push your account away. That's probably been helping me more than anything. But I'm also copy trading, so I traded 3 accounts this morning at the same time. So we took $130 loss on all three, or 120 to $130 on all 3 accounts. Excuse me. Whew. Oh yeah, definitely on some struggles, man. Oh, you mean like over trading, Nick? Like going up in the size a little bit on some minis? All right, Solo, I'll look at it. So, I mean, Nick, if you go back and think about your accounts that you lost over the last few weeks, Nick, were all of them from like, you take a loss, then you up the size, and then that's where you end up losing your accounts when you double the size? Wait, you would what? Okay, so you'd be rotating. Is that what you mean by close? Or you would like actually close the account after one loss? That's how I usually have lost most of my accounts. Like what I was saying, like you end up taking a loss, and the very next trade you're like, let me see if I can get this back. I almost did that today. I had to keep telling myself, do not take the trade, do not take the trade, do not, like, silently, because I wasn't saying it out loud, but I'm just like, do not take the trade, because I wanted to take that on the Lucif account. I was going to oversize and try to get back my loss today, but I did not do it, and we kept our loss. We're like, no, don't do it. And I wanted to so bad. It was so hard not to. So as you can see, I can show you, I still have the loss on there. Look, $150 in the red on that 25K. I wanted to take an oversized trade so bad on that, man, but I had to just keep telling myself no. It was so hard not to do it too. Uh, so hard. We do have another gold entry set up there at 48.43. What's up, 44? You're doubling down on my long short bias. Shoot, I'm targeting that pivot all the way up there, Nick, at 495. It's very, very easy to do. I've done that quite a bit on my Beulah Knox accounts. With Beulah Knox, I have where I would over leverage and I tell myself they're just cheap 90% accounts. So far this month, I don't think I've bought one eval this month. The last eval I bought was back in March. And that was that one Beulah Knox account and that loose of 25K that I've been trading for the last couple weeks. That seems like it's taking me forever to pass. Forever. That's what it feels like. We're not going to add Timothy. Honestly, with this eval that I've been trading in the Asia market, I mean, I really don't even have a desire to get it passed anytime soon because even if I pass it, it's just going to be sitting in a little vault. So I can't get it unlocked to trade it a funded account with that because I guess I didn't know Beulah Knox. I think they may have changed the rules, but I'm not sure. You got to have 3 funded accounts over the threshold. And I got 2 over the threshold. If I can get this one more, what? I got to get it to like $1,600 to. One account just gets you tilted. Woof. What time is it? I don't guess Methodical's trading tonight, guys. I thought Methodical said he was getting on. Or maybe he's getting on at 8 o'clock. This is an account that. Yeah, it's just one of Bewley's 90% off accounts, Timothy. So at Beulah Knox, you only can trade 3 funded accounts. You can trade up to 11, but you got to have it over the buffer to activate another one. So That's why we only have 3 that we're trading at the moment with them. I have 6, but I got 3 more just sitting in the like underpinning status. What's up, YouTuber? How are you doing tonight? Are you taking any trades tonight, or are you sitting on the sideline, or do you even trade Asia market? Oh, your accounts are locked till 3. Okay, so you must live, what is it, morning time for you? And you're just waiting for the London session to open? Oh, New York. So what do you live in, like Hawaii, or in the, what is that? So that would have to be what, 6 hours behind. So, oh, you live in New York. Your account just don't unlock till 3 o'clock in the morning. Okay, I got what you're saying now. I thought maybe your New York time was at 3 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, I'm not sure if I know what that is. HK50, Timothy. He's in Greenland. Oh, that's Hong Kong. I'm not even. Do they let me trade the Hong Kong session? That I'm not sure. I've been doing gold in the evening, YouTuber. I just missed a gold entry. I had it sitting in the wrong spot. The That gold entry should have been at 48 48.55.1. Should have been your entry, looking for 5 points. That was actually the first setup tonight. Now this is a negative RR type trading session. Woo. I almost missed the TikTok close there. All right, let's see what kind of pullback we can get on this setup here. A lot of times you can just look for like the 40 to 50% pullback. The leg is right there, so you would think that we'd get a pullback to the 25 here. And we got a big upward wick there, either 20 or even like maybe a little bit below the 20 level on top of all those wicks. And that would hit about the 60%. For anybody that likes to trade off the Fibonacci. That's one thing about Asia market. If you're new to the Asia market loves the 50 to 60% pullback. Hmm. Yeah, I don't guess I've ever watched the HK50. Gold's over. Yeah, I know. I can see gold getting back over 5,000 soon. What I'm surprised is that gold and NQ is going up together. Let me pull over a page and see that real quick. What you're saying, the HK50. All right, you said HK50. I don't know if it'll let me. Yeah, it won't let me look that up. Well, I see a couple HKs, but they're Yangtze Index or something like that. Hmm. Sounds good. And can you buy that? Can you look at that on the Ninja Trader? Uh, let's see. Give me a minute. I was gonna look at the day chart here. I just got to give it a minute. It looks like it's up there at 28,900 or 26,900. So maybe tomorrow or Thursday. I mean, tomorrow or Friday. You made some gold from the late 25 gold run. Yeah, metals were insane right there at the end of the year when gold and silver was just on a crazy run. I've been sitting here since 6 o'clock or 5 o'clock my time, watching gold, waiting for a setup, and we finally get one, and I miss it. So we sit here and waited. What time? Like 2 hours, 3 hours for a gold setup. I had that freaking thing set in the wrong spot. Yep, almost 3 hours because I've been watching this market since 5 o'clock my time. So did not get it. Oh goodness. The silver is what was really crazy. People are making some crazy money off silver. Yeah, the weaker the dollar is, I think the more expensive gold is. I think it's. I think they. I thought they. where dollar's going down, gold's going up, right? If I'm not mistaken, you know how gold and dollar works. Yeah. Okay. I don't follow the dollar or trade the dollar or anything, but I think I used to try to watch the dollar because it used to be like that with Nasdaq also. So if the dollar is going up, the Nasdaq is going down. Come on, man. I was just getting on myself for not taking that. I set my blue line in the wrong place, methodical, and I had the entry setting in the wrong spot. Then I wasn't even watching it after I missed it because I was like, dang it. So yeah, so we missed the first one, methodical. That's what I was just talking about. I had been sitting here for almost 3 hours waiting for that entry and I missed it. Yeah, but see, after I missed it, I stopped watching it. Do you got one at 48? Excuse me. Do you got one at 40, 48, 44? 48, 43, 8? All right. Oh, yeah. With the gold, yeah. I don't ever chase gold. If I miss the entry, we just miss it and we'll have to wait for another one. Man, this thing's building up a nice little bull flag. I mean, we got this nice 3 candle, 5 minute pullback. We pull back to about the spot that we thought we would, which is the top of this leg here. Had this big wick sitting also at the 25. This is after almost hitting the 50. So this definitely looks like a nice little bull flag breakout coming. And this is for the top of the hour. That is something that usually happens also before the top of the hour. Oh, never mind. Heck, we're already 6 minutes past the top of the hour. Let's see. Are you talking about using a Fibonacci, Timothy? Thank you, YouTuber. Thank you, good sir. So we're still targeting 490 up at the top, guys. There's a pivot sitting up there. If this can create another leg, so as soon as this leg is created, this is where we'll take our break even or stop loss to right there at the 25. Now, this could possibly set up another gold entry. So, what you want to see happen is that if this candle right here prints and the very next candle prints above it, that would be your next entry on gold at 40, 48, 50, 51. Or is it already after 9 o'clock? Never, or is it too late? Okay, never mind. It's after 9 o'clock. Yeah, I guess the gold trade's cut off at this time. Usually it's only supposed to be between 6 and 9. Oh, so it's 10 p.m.? Oh, okay. So if this creates another ledge, we will put a entry there. I mean that one I like that one because you got the what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 about 5 gold candles on the 5 minutes. Did you just get the one entry tonight, Methodical? Gold's the screen over here on the left. Well, my left. All right, so if this candle does not break the low of this candle, we will look for another gold entry at 50, 45, 51.2 or something like that. Looks like 52. We still got about 3.5 minutes left on this candle, so it'll be a little bit. I kind of want to take my stop loss up there to about the 25, but we'll just settle for 20 points. So you kind of want to see this break back above 50, then create another leg. What are you looking to sell? We sure are not going to sell the NQ or MNQ because this thing's been going up nonstop for 2 or 3 days now. So it looks like this one's probably going to print here. So this is going to be another probably another buy here. 50. We still got about 2 minutes. Methodical, are you doing 51.2? Is that right? Or 51.3? All right. Once this prints, we'll drop it. Nice on the ES long, man. All right, got a minute 30 seconds left. So the screen on my left, guys, or maybe it's flipped. One is the one that I'm in over here on 40 points. That's the NQ or MNQ, and the one that I'm trying to place a drop in order is the gold. Got 50 seconds left. I think this thing's gonna trigger here. Methodical, are you streaming tonight? 30 seconds left for a new 5 minute candle, guys. Uh, yes and no. I mean, I don't do any kind of swing trading, but I will hold for long trades. Woo, 5 seconds. Do I use the ATAS? I'm not sure what that is. We got another entry, another target down at 48.43 that we could possibly get tagged into. Looks like there's no action. Yeah, we're in a gold long from 48.51.3. It's only pushed down what 3 points, so it's not down very much. I can even see it maybe going to 48.43 here. All right, looks like we're creating another ledge here, so we should be able to, well, what is that? Is she dance yet? Oh my goodness. So I'm trying to think. If we get tagged in at 43, what would that bring my average down to? What? What, 46? Oh, you're saying gold will pull back to 48.20? Very possibility. I mean, we started out at 48.11 tonight. The upside we're targeting 490. There's a pivot sitting all the way up there at 490. I don't know if we get there during the Asia market though. It could be sitting here for a few hours. Hey, we may create another ledge here. We got a really nice like little bull flag sitting here on the gold. So hopefully if it breaks this bull flag, it'll probably go. Thanks, BB. B boy. Come on, gold. Give us some gold love. I wish this was my second entry. This should be my second entry instead of freaking first. I'm so annoyed that I missed that first one. We still got 2.5 minutes. This will be another ledge for gold. Here, 48, 47. Still got about 2 minutes left. Bears flag. Oh yeah, I was thinking bull flag. Oh no. I might have said bear flag by accident though. I do that sometimes. Dude, this gold trade, man, you could be sitting in this thing for like an hour. That's the only thing about gold tonight. It's I mean it's best when it's moving slow, but you definitely could be sitting in it for a minute. You're thinking of bump and dump? Possibly. I think as long as we can kind of get this in the next say 35 minutes. I really don't want to be in this trade at 10 o'clock. Uh, I mean, technically that's a swing, but man, it is a ugly swing. Methodical, are you doing the 48-43 trade? Okay. I kind of almost wanted to tag it in so we can bring down our average. Yeah, there's tons of those. I mean, you could probably find a lot of that just on Googling or just look on YouTube. A lot of people talk about like the different type of candles and stuff like that. We're just in one micro, Nick. So right now we're just down $55. He's more huggable on the vertical. That's so funny. They need a hug. No, it didn't tag me in. I'll give myself a hug. Mm, it'd be okay. It's gonna be okay. It's gonna be a okay. So this will have to be the last entry here. This is really pushing it to be in here for two contracts. I don't know. There's a lot down there to hold us up. Dude, I have it at the right spot. Didn't get that tag in on that one. What time is it? We got a new 30-minute candle. All right. New 30-minute candle. So let's see what we get some kind of push here. I was hoping that this would get tagged in. This way it would bring down my average and we could just possibly look for 2 or 3 point pullback and still get the $50. What's up, Fish Lips? How's it driving into town? Oh, dude, straight up all day. Hardly no pullbacks. Like I said, I think I would have liked it if we could have just been tagged in on that tagged in at 43. 2.5 hours of wasted driving. Yeah. The city driving is never fun. Ranking, I only do funded trades in the morning time during the New York session. This is the Asia market, and it's in futures. So futures is open 23 hours a day. What's up, IVX? Yeah, I took both of my first two trades this morning were losses, Fish Lips. We're on Ninja Trader. Mm. Hmm. Oh yeah, it's been insane, fish lips. Got about 20 seconds left. See what happens with this next new 5 minute candle. You're short here. Dude, I've been in the long since we've opened today. So if we get stopped out here on gold, this will be the last of the gold trade for the night. We only got about 4 points of drawdown left. I'll just have to. Right now, we're down 133. It looks like we're going to get stopped out on this one. Let's see. Yeah. The next, probably what, 37? And we got. Still got 3 minutes left on this 5 minute candle, so we'll have to just see what happens. It's not looking too pretty for us, methodical. Got two candles there, so I was going to see if we kind of get a bounce off the 37s here. I don't really want to add another contract. I know that. Oh no, we're just slicing through that thing. Oh my goodness, we're down 200 bucks. My eval is taking a beating, guys. We've been long on the MNQ pretty much all night long. My stop out's gonna be at 25 there. There's another ledge right there at 36. But there's just no way I can add that ledge. That's just too much. I can't go in with three. Let's see what time it is. So I'm at my limit on the gold trade here, guys. So I I can't risk anymore. We're already risked two something. So it means we're gonna be about 250 bucks. We do have some wicks in there. Dude, this thing just bonered candle straight down. It looks like it's heading 20. All right. Let's see. This will probably be the well. This will definitely be the last gold trade. We're still holding the NQ trade, so we did create another leg on the NQ. Getting a really nice push on the NQ over here, guys. We still got our target all the way up there at 194, 195 up there for the NQ. What's up, Micro? How are you doing tonight? Not really out easy. I mean, I watch for like patterns within the like flag patterns and stuff, but as far as the candle patterns go, no. You know, I do like inside bar candles or but I don't really pay attention to candle patterns. Look at the nasty girls pumping, guys. Woo. We're not only excited about the market going up, we're in the market. We could be one of these people on YouTube and just sit here and be getting all excited that the market's moving up, but not taking the trade. Be like, did you take it? I'd be like, no. Oh, goodness. We're not asking for much here. We're just asking for like 8 points and $2 million. That's it. Uh, That show there's man. That's out. I don't know if anybody's ever watched the Righteous Gemstones, man. That movie there, that show there, has so many parts that has me cracking up. uh, Baby Billy Bobby. I'm not asking for much here, guys. Just an 8 ball and $2 million. Oh goodness. The inside bar, all that is just is a 5 minute candle that does not break the high and low of the previous 5 minute candle. But I only take that one at the opening, like early morning. Inside bar won today. You did have to have like a 50, 60 point stop loss. Yeah, that's because they're most of them are probably that's because Pine Tree does that a lot. So I'm pretty sure, you know, Pine Tree has told Terry about the inside because Pine's been doing that inside bar for quite a while now. I'm gonna kill her. Still got 2.5 minutes left on this 5 minute candle, so hopefully we still got a little bit more left in it to push before it comes back down. Uh oh yeah, most definitely. Anytime we're at all time highs, it's just better to long everything until we start getting like, break back down. Danny, this is a Ninja Trader. You think hold to 475? We're holding all the way to try to gonna hold up to the 495s. Yeah, we're got a minute 30 seconds left on this candle. So break back down the man. What's up, Miss M Rich? How are you doing tonight? We're not watching the gold trade, guys. We're not watching the gold trade. We're trying to look away. We don't want to touch it and go to break even because that's not go to break even, but trying to move our stop loss. We got 30 seconds left, so I was really hoping that we could once we broke that 43, I was hoping we would got one more little push before we got a new candle. This isn't a full port market. I don't see why it couldn't be a full port market as much as we've gone up lately. Uh, no, it got back to our freaking entry. Come on. I'd probably have to take my small loss before I let this thing pull all the way back, guys. 40 point at the 40 maybe. I'd rather take a $70 or $80 loss than I would let this thing pull all the way back down to the 30s. Yeah, son of a B. Sorry, I'm just trying to watch this gold trade. Like I said, I don't really want to let it come all the way back. I'd rather just close it out for a $70, $80 loss than to let this thing come all the way back and stop me out. Because it just wouldn't be worth it to me. Push. Just a few more. We ain't asking for much, guys. We ain't asking for much. Just a couple points. Shoot. We're already about to have a new 5 minute candle. Son of a B. Yeah, so either way, we'll have to take our stop out here, guys, because like I said, I'm in three micros, and so that's just too much to risk on this 25K to let this pull all the way back 10 points. Looks like we're gonna get stopped out. That looks pretty bullish. All right. It can still move up there, guys. Like I said, I just can't risk for it to pull all the way back. So we'll just have to take that small loss. Not on my 25K. So there's just no way. Let me disconnect. We don't need to be on that account no more. Gold has not been good to me, man. I'll keep either messing it up or not taking the entries right. I don't know. I've been on the struggle bus on the gold. Yeah, we are on the NQ on this one. I was on gold on the this one right here, but it's probably going to end up popping up and hitting the target. When I come back and look at it in the morning, it's probably going to continue all the way back up there to the top. Not really sure why that keeps disconnecting, guys. Mm, I may just have to go back to trading my elusive on the NQ for a little while until I get that passed. Break down the mountain. I still think this is going higher. I think this is just going to be a small little pullback for us just to skyrocket at the top of the hour. What we got 2 minutes to the top of the hour here, so we can kind of see what happens here at the top of the hour. 1 minute. All right, should get some kind of little push here. Watch this thing just blast. I'm just keeping my orders where they're at, so I'm just playing the ledges. Mm. Uh, yeah, that's looking very bullish on the gold here. Still haven't hit my target up there, which is the 45. So what was that? Been 40? It would. I would have needed 45.59 or something like that. Yeah, undercover today was super tough, man. I struggled most of this morning myself. Like I said, we were 0 for 2 this morning. We didn't take our first winning trade until lunchtime. So it was. Yeah, so now we're back to needing like $450 on the freaking Lucif account to pass it. So like I said, I think I'm gonna just stick to the NQ until I pass. It's been a mess, at least for my Oh, my, I guess something's wrong with my cable. Man, nobody is, I guess it's been going in and out. I didn't even realize it. Yeah, I think whenever I brought all my stuff to Georgia a while ago, I think I messed up that cable, got messed up a little bit. So I may have to get a new cable. Oh, methodical man, that sucks. I lost another $100 on that last trade. Now that I'm stopped out, it's probably going to go to the 59. I just could not risk that chance. Ah, shit, there it comes. To lose that much money on that account. Sorry about the volume, guys. I didn't know that my what it is, that microphone amp I guess cable's loose on the backside, so I didn't realize it. Uh mm, there's the that would have taken me out of my entry almost there. Yep. I was just trying to get 2 points after we were already in that for three micros. All right, guys, that's going to do it for me tonight. We're just going to leave this trade right here on. I mean, this thing could take all night to go up 40 points. Yeah, I know, man. I cannot stop the paper hands on the gold trades, man. Just, uh, I was just in too many contracts. So, I mean, if I take a 5 or 10 point loss on that gold trade on that 25K, man, that will wreck that 25K. And I've already been so close to passing it. Now I'm back down to needing $400 to passing it. So, man, I was just from today's loss and plus this gold loss. So I think what I'm gonna do is just try to pass that crap on the MNQ. Then once I get it to fund it, I'm just gonna have to just stick to the micro or something instead of adding. I think the ad's rough. Ooh. Oh, you're saying, yeah, yeah, we're gonna leave this trade on. Uh, we're gonna be targeting that pivot. There's a pivot sitting at 499. Nah, we're pretty good with the MNQ. It's just those gold trades that I struggle with a little bit. I'm still kind of new to them. I haven't really taken a lot of those. Um, so it is what it is. We just need to get a quick blast here. All right, guys. I may just leave my charts up for a few minutes, but thank you guys for watching, and we will be back tomorrow night. We'll just close the camera off.